going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Nichelle. I am the Startup CEO. Basically, my channel is all about lifestyle, whether it be business, food, travel, real estate, or just having a dang on great time. I hope that you are enlightened by the information that I share, and that if you are into lifestyle, then you would like this channel as well, and go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know every time that I go live. Okay, so today we're gonna get right on into the dirty gritty. Yes, if you've been on my channel for a while, you know that we take random trips, my family and I, and we typically go to places that we've never been before. Sometimes it's places we've been if we're out seeking to do business in the town or the state or the country that we want to further our business opportunities in. So today I'm going to share with you 5 ways that you can travel for free. Now, this information became available to me probably about maybe 5 years ago because I was not familiar with how to travel for free. All of my money went to travel, food, and that's pretty much it. I spend my money on food, travel, and investments. So, and bills, of course. No one likes to pay bills, but we got to pay bills in order to have the things that we like. I don't care how rich, wealthy, or anything of that nature you are, you're going to still have bills. Bills just come to us naturally. But let's talk about traveling for free, because that can be done. It literally can be done. The first way that I learned how to travel for free was to start my own travel business, okay? And I have been in the travel industry for probably about maybe 3 years. And about 5 years ago, someone had brought me on or made me aware of an opportunity to travel, but it wasn't the type or style of business that I wanted to pursue. I kind of wanted to necessarily be on my own, not be connected with having a determined amount of sales that I had to have in order to stay in business, and then have to pay to be in business too. So I looked for other avenues to get outside of that box, and I did. And I opened up my own travel agency, and ever since that time I've been very pleased, because every time I travel, I get paid, and every time I help somebody else travel, they get paid as well. So starting your own travel business really is a great opportunity to earn extra income, and then to be able to travel for free, depending on how much you sell and how much you travel, to get income back into your pockets so that you can utilize that for a hotel stay, for an airline stay, or excursion or whatever. So below, where if you're interested in starting a travel company, I can help you with that. We're always looking for additional travel sponsors to be a part of our industry and of our business. So they've changed the name, and I think I like it better versus travel agent. I like travel advisor, because an agent, I'd rather be an advisor. And so I advise people of good places, great deals to go, so that you and your family can have a great time as well. The thing that I've learned to do to travel for free is connect with others and build followers in the travel industry. Because when you connect with others and build followers in the travel industry, what you will find is that they will learn some things that you possibly did not know. I'm all about connections. I really believe that connections enable us to expand our network. Not only does it do that, it enables us to grow and to learn about other people. Because if we just stay in a box of ourselves and only think that we know everything or we have the best experiences, we miss out on so many opportunities. I've connected with so many awesome YouTube friends that travel just like I do, or have been to places I haven't been, and I'm like, whoa, they enlighten me on different things and different opportunities that I can utilize as well to take on my next travel journey. So with others is always so important in whatever you decide to do in life, even if it isn't travel, business, relationships. Connecting with people is a passport to success. Number 3, you want to create travel content. So how do you do this? If you like to write, you can blog. If you like to do video like this, you can vlog. So you can blog or vlog and get your point across, share information, give tips, give strategies as to how you do what you do. As a reward, or as a result, if you reach out to the industry that you're seeking, like a hotel, tell them that you'll be in town and that you're doing a review or something on their hotel, they may give you a discount. They may even give you a room for free. They may even give you the whole trip for free. So it just really depends on your conversation with them. I always say a closed mouth does not get fed. So if you are progressive in your conversation and let them know that it's a win-win for both parties. I'm making others aware of what you have to offer in your resort, at your hotel, at this excursion, on this airline. I haven't heard too many people get free tickets outside of them just getting rewards, but you never know. I never say never, because you never know what can possibly come just by you opening up your mouth. Create travel content, and I am really exploring that more, especially since we're growing and expanding our business in the travel industry. I'm learning how to really adapt to, or not necessarily adapt, I'm looking to expand outside of an adaptation and learning how to connect with people that want to travel with the things and the opportunities we have available. So it's so awesome for you to connect with others, hotels, resorts, and even people, because people have valuable information. Number 4, you want to partner with a travel related entity. As I mentioned, kind of like number 3, with a hotel, with an agency. I know that if you refer people to our travel agency, we actually offer you a stipend for that and give you credit for referring someone, because without the referral, we wouldn't have probably never got them, nor will we be able to earn an income on them. So if someone refers someone to our agency, if they're not interested in becoming a travel advisor, we actually compensate them for their referral. So that's a really great opportunity to earn additional income to help you travel for free and to get perks and rewards to explore other opportunities. Number 5, which I have become, is an Airbnb host. So how does this help you travel for free? You can rent other people's homes for rent for stay based upon the money, the earned income that you get by becoming an Airbnb host, a VRB host, or any other host for Expedia, Hotel.com, all those. It enables you to charge for stay in your place. And what that enables you to do is when you travel to another place, then the money, as I mentioned, you earn will go towards that stay. So some people do it that way. I do it to build my business up and to continue our portfolio of real estate. But it's an excellent way to see other places. When people are in your place paying you to stay there, you go to another place and pay to stay there. Kind of like switch and bait, kind of in so many ways, but it's still a great opportunity. We've come in contact with some amazing hosts that we've stayed at their properties that were just absolutely gorgeous, and it really kind of gives me ideas and insights to come back and do ours the same way, because people like experiences. One thing I've learned being a traveler is that the experience matters to me. If I go somewhere and we have a great time and it's something that I always will remember, that experience is priceless. And so you want to always be in the business of giving people experiences, even as a travel advisor, as an Airbnb host, as a content creator. You want to give people experiences that they will always remember for the rest of their lives, because those are things that you cannot pay for or get back, because they are so monumental to people that experience them. So hope these 5 tips help. I hope it has given you some insight of ways that you could travel for free and ways that you can explore opportunities to get around the world, even within our own communities of the United States. There are so many great places to go. I love Atlanta. We do business in Atlanta, and I go there all the time to eat, not necessarily shop, but to do experiences with all the different opportunities that are there. We love Texas as well, so we are exploring more opportunities in Texas, so that's definitely on our plans for 2022, and to just really just explore the world a little bit more. I have plans to go to Italy. I have a YouTube friend that was there, and so seeing her experiences as well has enlightened me. She gave some tips and some strategies that we can utilize in our trip there as well. We just got back from Dubai this year, and we have a couple of more trips planned. It just means of time, finding time to go. But that's my goal. My goal is to not have to find time, to be able to create the time and just get up and go. Okay? Yes, that's the Startup CEO Lifestyle TV. To live life on your terms and not on somebody else's. All right? So I'll link all of what I've discussed in below. I'm just really getting my blog up to par, but you can check out some of my vlogs on this channel with Living Gold Travel. That's the name of our travel agency. Live and Go Travel, and we have videos to document majority of our travel throughout the United States as well as within the United States too. And I'll also link a link below if you're interested in becoming an Airbnb host as well as a VRB host, as well as if you're interested in starting your own travel business. So thanks again for being here. My name is Nichelle. You can connect with me on Instagram at Nichelle Womack. I'm also on Instagram at Live and Go Travel. You can go there as well. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you'll know every time I upload a video and it drops. Make sure you hit that notification bell too. Blessings and peace unto you. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend with me, and may everything you touch turn to gold. Bye.